Today we are going to discuss some phrasal verbs which are frequently asked in various competitive examinations. And the first word is call off, which given English meaning to cancel, stop or withdraw something. And the Hindi meaning बंद करना. The given sentence is that due to some urgent work of the director of a school, call of teacher meeting. Now the next word is bring round, and given English meaning is that to aware or consciousness, and the Hindi meaning होश में लाना. The given sentence is that after injecting the injection, the patient bring round after half an hour. It happens in very rare cases. Now we move towards the next word, and the word is bring in, with English meaning to introduce a new law, and the Hindi meaning नया कानून बनाना. The given sentence is that as day to day new techniques and gadgets are emerging, government bring in the new law, and this system can be seen to the society, very common. Now the next word is bring about, given English meaning to cause something to happen, and we can say some incident takes place suddenly, and the Hindi meaning कुछ घटित होना या करवाना. The given sentence is that the terrorist attack was bring about against the conspiracy. Now the next word is blow up, with given English meaning to explode. It is used especially for explosive breakdown, and the Hindi meaning फूट पड़ना या उड़ा देना. The given sentence, a cracker suddenly blown up after flaming a spark of fire, and the phenomena can be seen in the Diwali. Now the next word is bring forth, given English meaning to produce something, and the Hindi meaning किसी चीज़ का उत्पन्न होना या करना. The given sentence, several trees bring forth different fruits. सही बात है, अलग अलग वृक्ष अलग अलग फ्रूट्स देते हैं. Now we move towards the next word, and the word is appease, with English meaning to calm or soothe, and Hindi meaning शांत करना. The given sentence is that after a very efficient effort, I was able to appease his anger. Now we move towards the next word, and the word is bear with. Here R is silent. Now the English meaning tolerate someone or endure. The given Hindi meaning सहन करना, या हम बोल सकते हैं बर्दाश्त करना. The given sentence is that poor people in our country are compelled to bear with the atrocities done to them. Now the next word is be out, and the given English meaning to prove something, and the Hindi meaning साबित करना या सही ठहराना. The given sentence is that ultimately the man who seems to be honest bear out a thief. So in this era we should not believe anyone, especially strange people. Now the next word is account for. This is very common word and mostly asked in different examination, whose given English meaning explain cause or reason, and Hindi meaning कारण या वजह बताना. The given sentence is that an employee has to account for leaving of his duty before the time. This is true according to the rule. Now the next word is back up was given English meaning to support someone and the Hindi meaning किसी का समर्थन करना या किसी को सपोर्ट करना. The given sentence is that everyone back up a political representative unlike the poor. यह सही बात है, इस समय कोई गरीब का मदद करना नहीं चाहता है. Now the next word is back out. English meaning refuse to help and the Hindi meaning मुकर जाना या हम बोल सकते हैं सहायता करने से पीछे हटना. The given sentence is that the people of this era back out in the critical situation to honest people. Thank you very much for watching the video.